Evening to one and all on behalf of the SIA Primary and KG School. I, Ms. Vandana, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to everyone present here. We are thrilled to have you here with us today to celebrate our school's annual day. Before we start off, let's begin with a short formal function. I now request Shri K.V. Ranganathan sir, M. Gopalkrishnan sir, Aparna Patil ma'am, Sharvari Deshpande ma'am and Sarika Khokrare ma'am to please come on the dais. We are honored to have our distinguished leader, the President of the SIA, Shri K.V. Ranganathan. I request Ms. Sarika Khokrare ma'am to welcome sir with a bouquet as a token of love. Welcome, sir. A hearty welcome to our Honorable Secretary, Shri M. Gopalkrishnan. I request Ms. Maitri ma'am to welcome sir with a bouquet as a token of love. Welcome, sir. With a great delight, I welcome the HM of the SIA High School and Junior College, Mrs. Aparna Patil. I request Ms. Roma to welcome ma'am with a bouquet as a token of love. Welcome, ma'am. It's my pleasure to welcome our esteemed headmistress of the SIA Primary and High School, Mrs. Sharvari Deshpande. I request Ms. Meenakshi to welcome ma'am with a bouquet as a token of love. Welcome, ma'am. A warm welcome to our very supportive headmistress of the SIA Primary and KG School, Mrs. Sarika Khokrare. I request Ms. Roma to welcome ma'am with a bouquet as a token of love. Welcome, ma'am. We welcome all the committee members of the SIA with a great delight. Welcome, everyone. Our annual tradition of acknowledging teachers' contribution continues as we express our gratitude for their unwavering support. Teaching is not just a profession, it's a calling. It takes patience, kindness, and a passion for inspiring young minds. From creating engaging lesson plans to providing individualized support, a teacher has gone above and beyond to ensure students receive the best possible education. Teachers make hard things easy to learn. This code stands true for the recipient of the prestigious President Emeritus, late Shri K.R. Venkat Krishnan Centenary Award for the academic year 2023-24. I call upon Ms. Avni Mane to receive the award. I request our President Shri K.V. Ranganathan sir to felicitate her and request all the dignitaries to join the felicitation. Give a huge round of applause to Mrs. Avni Mane. Mrs. Avni Mane has joined the SIA school in 2018. She has a teaching experience of 10 years. She has been making her students academically strong and confident. Congratulations, Avni teacher. Thank you, sir and madam. I request dignitaries to be seated. I request Avni teacher to share her views.
Good evening, one and all. Thank you, sir, for this award. I thank you to all the management members. I'm grateful to our HMs, Ms. Sharvari Deshpande ma'am and Sarika Kokrale ma'am. I am grateful to our AHM, Ms. Maitri Deshpande ma'am, for their indeed guidance and unwavering support. On Teachers' Day, our secondary HM, Ms. Aparna Patil ma'am, had said, teaching is the mother of all the professions. I truly believe the same. This award has taken me one step ahead of virtuousness. I would like to thank to my all the colleagues and my co-teachers who had always manifested me to get this award. Last, but they are always first for each and every teacher. They are her students. Thank you to all my students and my parents. Thank you, SI Parivar.
Congratulations, Avni teacher. We wish you best of luck for your future endeavors. It is my great honor and privilege to call upon an individual who has been a guiding light and an inspiration to us all. Our school president, Shri K.V. Ranganathan sir. He has shown exceptional leadership, dedication and a true commitment to the betterment of our school community. His vision and hard work have made a significant impact on our school, and we all are grateful for his tireless efforts. Now I call upon sir to address the audience.
Vidyadanam Sarvadanam Pradhanam. Knowledge is power. A very good evening to the HMs of our school, my colleagues in the management committee, ex-colleagues of the management committee, my dear students and my dear parents. You would have witnessed the exhaustive report of the KG section by our HM Srimati Sarika Kokrale. There is something for everyone, all the stakeholders. Students, their education, fun day, Father's Day, something which we have started. We also have a Grandparents' Day. For everyone, सबके लिए है. बोलते हैं ना सबका साथ सबका विकास. वैसा I think for everyone there is something for the parents. KG section, KG or nursery, it's more about forming a habit of coming to school, discipline, social interaction, and be away from the home for some time so that they grow in an environment and they become slightly independent in the times to come. That is one of the major objectives. Right in the beginning, I think in nursery and all, I think, yes, we do give them education, literacy starts there. Then we try to consolidate by the time the school children go out of the KG section into the primary school. And the basic idea is, as I told you, come to school regularly, be independent, carry the book, carry the tiffin, get up in time, come to school, be with grandparents or their parents at the end of the day. It's so difficult to mold these tiny tots. All of us have one or two children at home. We know how difficult it is to discipline them, mold them, make them do what we want. Here today, more than 600 students are going to participate in today's program. Can you imagine the kind of effort that the teachers would have taken? You saw the nursery sections program. Some 10 programs we had. 200 students probably had participated. For teachers to make them do what they have done on the stage without any fear, so much of crowd in front of them. So I don't know whether the parent even appreciate the kind of efforts that is in front of the teachers when you admit your child to the school. The first month for the nursery It's a big challenge to all my teachers, the teaching staff, the non-teaching staff. Somebody might be crying, somebody might be dancing, somebody might not be sitting in their seat. So is it not a magic that they all make it happen in front of you? Don't you think there is a big round of applause for this? What you can't do at home, your teachers are doing for you. And not only teachers, my non-teaching staff. Do you know the kind of problems the children can create in class? Somebody not be well, somebody might be crying, somebody might not be eating their food, somebody might wet their clothes. So I think all our non-teaching staff, okay, we fondly call them our ayahs. They also are a very, very important wheel in the journey to education of your children. So it is a very thankless job which smiling they do for your students, your children, without bothering from where he is coming, which state of society, what is the background. So I think this is something I think all the parents have to remember, that when you admit your children to the pre-primary section, there is more to it than education alone. All the social habits form in the school. And I think school takes a lot of care in ensuring that children have the best of discipline in the school. I also have a humble request to the parents. A small request. It's a very personal matter. What I want the parents not to watch unwanted stuff along with your children. Please, please, please. And don't keep them awake till midnight or early morning while you are watching movie or something like that. Please don't do that. Will a small way help us to run the school better. The children will be better off when they come to school. I have a very important announcement to make. God willing, we might dealing the pre-primary section from our school. We are in that process. We don't know whether it will happen this year or next year. The basic idea is to give a better environment to the students. In the current environment, we have students from the age of 3 to age of 16 or 15 or 16. And I think we want a separate atmosphere and ambience to be created for the benefit of the students. We are working towards that. Whether it will happen soon, it will happen for 1 year, but it will definitely happen. Because as per the NEP, till second standard, there is a certain set of rules or the group they have created. Accordingly, we try to create a school which will house only a pre-primary student. That is our thought process. We are in the way, we are working toward that. How soon it will happen, I do not know. But yes, you have to be prepared, parents have to be prepared for that. As Madam told you, APAR is one of the important initiatives taken by the Government of India. This is to identify your children, your child, from the time they enroll to school up to the time they graduate or they finish their education. It will be a unique ID. This is a unique ID. The government will provide a locker where all the progress of your child could be seen in one place. The marks will be there, the progress will be there. So if parents who are hesitant to give consent, please give it to them, give it to a teacher so that the job is finished very, very fast. Another important announcement I want to make is, please update your Aadhaar card as and when the child grows. Okay, what is valid at the age of 2 or 3 may not be valid at the age of 10 or 11. So then these things are becoming very, very important, and I want the parents to be alive to the announcement that being made from time to time by the school authorities, the government authorities. The education is changing in a very big way. As per our new education policy 2020, there is a lot of stress on extracurricular activities, additional skills and things like that. We in SIA will provide everything that is required for a child to grow in all facets of life. One of the important initiatives that we had taken about 10 years ago is to start a Safe Fine Arts Academy. You would have seen the students do the Bharatanatyam at the beginning of the program. Similarly, for all the Indian classic system, musical system, whether it is Bharatanatyam or Kathak or Tabla or Harmonium, we are running a musical school. The admission starts at the age of 7. So at the tutelage of very efficient teachers in the secure school environment, if you want your students, your children to attain proficiency in any of the Indian classical music, the school is there. The classes are happening. We are close to 100 students who are taking part in this different musical programs in our school. So a glimpse of it which you saw in the form of Bharatanatyam. All of you are waiting to see your children on the stage. Some of you have already seen. I know the post would have already gone on Facebook or Instagram of your child dancing on the stage. More people want to look at it, so I don't want to take much of your time. All I can say is best wishes to you, best wishes to your children. Please encourage every child. Encourage every child and don't leave the premises after a child has danced and dance is over. Encourage all of them. They will love to see the full audience to appreciate them. Be lavish in clapping. इसमें कुछ पैसा नहीं लगता है. Okay? So encourage the children when they come on the dance. Don't look at their flaws if they make. There could be small mistakes here and there. They are young, very young. I think none of us can come here and do a dance like them at this age. We will be all scared. So let us encourage them. My best wishes to all the parents whose children are going to take part. Other parents whose children are not going to take part, see that they take part next year. This kind of ambience, your children they will never get in such an early life, that which we are providing. Once again, best wishes. Thank you for assembling a huge number. It encourages to give better ambience, better programs for you in the future. A happy and a very Merry Christmas. A Happy New Year. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Varga Tamil, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and encouragement. Before we conclude, it's time to acknowledge the creative mind behind the amazing performances which will be presented shortly. Our choreographers have worked tirelessly to bring out the best in our children, teaching them not just dance moves, but also the joy of expression and the importance of teamwork. Their dedication and passion have truly shown through in every performance we will be seeing today. I request the President Shri K.V. Ranganathan sir to felicitate Sachin Birje sir and his team from Spiders Academy. I request his team to come on stage. This is the team who has trained our young performance. So जोरदार तालियां हो जानी चाहिए इनके लिए. Without their efforts, the students would not have performed. Thank you, sir. It is an honor and a great joy for me to extend the vote of thanks to all those who have contributed in one way or the other to make today's program a great success. We are also thankful to all the members of the management committee for their wholehearted support and are here to encourage us with their words of motivation. We thank the headmistress of SIA High School and Junior College, Mrs. Aparna Patil, and with her gracious presence. We wish to express our heartfelt thanks to the headmistress of SIA Primary and High School, Mrs. Sharvari Deshpande, for guiding us to make this function a great success. Thank you, ma'am. We extend our thanks to the headmistress of SIA KG and Primary, Mrs. Sarika Khokrae, for her thoughtful and informative guidance. A special thanks to our KGHM, Mrs. Maitri Deshpande, for her able guidance in making this program a huge success. Our sincere thanks to Mr. Deepak, Mr. Sagar for their technical support. A very special thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their contribution and efforts in making today's day special in all aspects. Now we extend our sincere thanks to the parent volunteers, all the parents, grandparents and others for your excellent cooperation. Heartfelt thanks to all the participants for making today's program a grand success. We gratefully remember Mr. Chetan for light arrangement, photographer Mr. Pramod for capturing those memorable moments in his camera and the videographers. Our sincere thanks to Mr. Revankar for sound arrangements and Mr. Suresh Patil for the mandap. Once again, a big thanks to all those who have supported us to make event a memorable one. Thank you all. In a short while, we will begin with the theme for the day, Universe. So far, yet so near. So don't go anywhere. Now I request our dignitaries to proceed towards the ground and be seated. Thank you one and all. Dear parents, tonight is a special night not just for our students but for all of you as well. Your children have worked incredibly hard to prepare for this moment and they are excited to showcase their talents on the stage. We know how eagerly you have been waiting to see your children perform. Your cheers, smiles and applause will be the greatest encouragement for them. So please settle into your seats and get ready for an evening filled with joy, pride and wonderful performances. Appreciate the dedication and effort of your children have put into making this evening memorable. Our young stars are ready to shine and share their talents with you. Let's make this night unforgettable with your enthusiastic support and applause. Thank you, and now let's begin the show with our talented performers. Today, we are going to take a fascinating journey through the universe. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a night where we will take a journey beyond the stars and explore the wonders of the universe. Our theme for the entertainment program is Our Universe. So far, yet so near. In terms of distance, the sun, the moon, the planets are so many light years away. Then how we are saying that they are so near? They are near because all these are so much entwined in our day-to-day life. At each stage of our life, the moon has its own importance. हम जब बच्चे होते थे तो हम चांद को मामा कहते थे, करेक्ट? हम हमारे प्यारे बच्चों को हमारे आँख का तारा समझते हैं. हम बच्चों को हमारी ज़िंदगी का सूरज मानते हैं. जब हम बड़े होते हैं तो यही चांद तारे हमारे लिए अलग मायने रखते हैं. कोई अपनी प्रियतमा को चौदहवीं का चांद कहता है तो किसी को लगता है कि उसकी महबूबा चांद जैसी हो. कभी हमारे जीवन में कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा हो तो हम राहु केतु को दोष देते हैं. किसी किसी को होता है मंगल का दोष. कभी होती है शनि की वक्र दृष्टि तो कभी होती है गुरु शुक्ल चंद्र की कृपा दृष्टि. है ना ये सब हमारे इतने नज़दीक, है या नहीं? यस. तो शुरू करते हैं आज के पहले नृत्य से. सूरज की रोशनी से चमकता जहां, चांदनी की चादर में लिपटा आसमां, सितारों की महफिल में सजता ये संसार, प्रकृति की गोद में बसा है ये अपार. प्रकृति की गोद में बसा है ये अपार. अभी सूरज और चांद की बात हो ही रही है तो चलो मैं आप सबसे एक सवाल पूछती हूँ. How many of you are morning people? I mean, those who are energized by the sun's first light. आप में से कितने लोग को सुबह पसंद है, सुबह का समय पसंद है जब सूर्य की पहली किरणें ऊर्जा देती है? Raise your hand. Oh, great. Now next, how many of you find your inspiration under the serene glow of moon? और आप में से कितने लोगों को चंद्रमा की शांति में अपनी प्रेरणा पाते हो? Oh yes, wonderful. So we are having a beautiful mix of sun and moon enthusiasts here tonight. Great. The sun, symbol of energy and new beginnings, rises each day to light up our lives. It reminds us that every dawn brings endless possibilities. Just as the sun rays reach every corner of the earth, our actions can touch every heart. The moon, with the gentle glow, brings calm and tranquility to our nights. It reflects the light of the sun, teaching us that even in our darkest moments, there is always a hope. The moon's phases reminds us the natural life cycles, where change is constant and every phase has its own beauty. सूर्य ऊर्जा और नई शुरुआत का प्रतीक हर दिन हमारे जीवन को रोशन करने के लिए उगता है। ये हमें याद दिलाता है कि हर सुबह अनंत संभावनाएं लाती है। जैसे सूर्य की किरणें पृथ्वी के हर कोने तक पहुंचती है, वैसे ही हमारे कार्य हर दिल को छू सकते हैं। चंद्रमा अपनी कोमल चमक के साथ हमारी रातों में शांति और सुकून लाता है। यह सूर्य की रोशनी को प्रतिबिंबित करता है, हमें सिखाता है कि हमारे सबसे अंधेरे क्षणों में भी हमेशा आशा होती है। चंद्रमा के चरण हमें जीवन में प्राकृतिक चक्रों की याद दिलाते हैं, जहाँ परिवर्तन स्थिर है और हर चरण की अपनी सुंदरता है। As the dawn breaks, the sun rises, spreading its golden rays across the sky. The clouds float gently, adding beauty to the morning. Together, sun and clouds symbolizes the start of new day and add charm to the bright morning light. As the day ends, the sun sets, making way for the gentle glow of the moon and twinkling stars. Day and night, light and dark, together they create a perfect harmony in the sky. Though sun and moon are different, they share the same sky, bringing balance to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome senior KG and F boys for the magical performance that takes us on a journey through the sky where the sun, moon, clouds and stars come to life. Welcome our senior KG and F boys. जोरदार तालियां हो जानी चाहिए. Yes, come on kids, rock the stage. Wow, what a great start. Let's give a big round of applause for our little stars of senior KGE and F boys. These little stars who brought the magic of the sky to life. Their performance reminds us of the harmony and beauty that exists in our universe. Could you feel that? Yes. Could you see the sun, moon, clouds? Yes, great. बच्चे को गोद में लेकर उसे सुलाने के लिए माँ जब धीमी आवाज़ में गाना गुनगुनाती है उसे कहते हैं लोरी। लोरी एक पारंपरिक गीत है जो माताएं अपने बच्चों को सुलाने के लिए गाती है। हिंदी में कई प्रकार की लोरियाँ होती है, जिनमें से कुछ प्रमुख प्रकार है चंदा मामा की लोरी। और जहाँ चंदा मामा होता है वहाँ टिम टिम करते तारे भी तो होते हैं। बच्चे जब लोरी सुनते हैं तब वे कल्पना करते हैं कि तारे और चंदा मामा उनके लिए गीत गा रहे हैं और उन्हें सुला रहे हैं। वे सोचते हैं कि चंद्रमा उनके लिए रात में एक रोशनी का स्रोत है और वह उनकी रक्षा करता है। बच्चे तारों को छोटे चमकते बिंदुओं के रूप में देखते हैं। वे सोचते हैं कि तारे उनके लिए रात में एक सुंदर और जादुई दुनिया बनाते हैं। तो चलिए ऐसी एक प्यारी सी लोरी को पेश करने आ रहे हैं हमारे सीनियर KGE और F के गर्ल्स। Amazing performance, girls. Very nice. Your performance brought so much joy to everyone watching. I could see smiles on the faces. ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे सारे तारे आज हमारे स्टेज पर आए हो. Yes or no? चांदोबा चांदोबा भागलास का, लिंबोणीच्या झाडामागे लपलास का. ही अंगाई आपण सर्वांनीच ऐकली असणार. येस और नो? बरोबर. ही अंगाई आणि मग थोडं मोठं झाल्यावर चांदो मामा, चंदा मामा हे शब्द कानावर पडू लागतात. कधी विचार केला का तुम्ही चंद्राला मामाची उपमा का दिली आहे? ती यासाठी कारण पृथ्वी ही बहीण आणि चंद्र हा तिचा भाऊ मानला जातो. आणि आईचा भाऊ म्हणजे करेक्ट. जर भाऊबीजेला भावाला ओवाळता आलं नाही तर स्त्रिया चंद्राला ओवाळतात. असा हा चंद्र म्हणजे लहान मुलांचा मामा. लहान मुलांचं आपल्या मामाबरोबर एक वेगळंच नातं असतं. बरोबर ना? हो की नाही? हो. जसा मामा आपल्याला जवळचा वाटतो तसंच चंद्र आणि लहान मुलांचं नातं आहे. म्हणूनच चंद्राला चंदा मामा, चांदो मामा अशी उपमा दिली आहे. जी हाँ, जो प्यार भरा रिश्ता मामा भतीजे का होता है वही रिश्ता होता है चंदा मामा और बच्चों का. हमारे अगले परफॉर्मेंस में हम देखेंगे चाहे चंदा मामा कितने भी दूर हो पर बच्चों का प्यार और स्नेह चंदा मामा के साथ भी साझा किया जा सकता है. टू प्रेजेंट दिस आई कॉल अपॉन स्टेज स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ जूनियर KGD. So here are the little ones of junior KGD division.
लिंबोणीच्या झाडामागे लपलास का, लिंबोणीचं झाड करवंदी, मामाचा वाडा चिरबंदी, चांदोबा चांदोबा भागलास का. आई बाबांवर रुसलास का, कशात एकटा बसलास का, आता तरी परतून जाशील का, दूधन शेवया खाशील का, दूधन शेवया खाशील का. चांदोबा चांदोबा भागलास का, लिंबोणीच्या झाडामागे लपलास का, लिंबोणीचं झाड करवंदी, मामाचा वाडा चिरबंदी, चांदोबा चांदोबा भागलास का. कुछ भी कहेगा तो अभी नहीं जाऊंगी, कहीं नहीं जाऊंगी, कभी नहीं जाऊंगी. ओ चंदा मामा से प्यारा मेरा मामा, मेरी आँखों का तारा मेरा मामा. ओ चंदा मामा से प्यारा मेरा मामा, ओ चंदा मामा से.
Wow, that was a delightful performance by our students of junior KGD. I am sure ये परफॉर्मेंस देखकर आप सब भी अपने बचपन में चले गए होंगे. गए थे या नहीं? यस, जब हम छोटे थे हमने भी ये गाने सुने, राइट? और जब हम छोटे थे हमने भी चंदा मामा को हमारे साथ ऐसे ही रिलेट किया था, करेक्ट? ओके। भाई बहन का रिश्ता है सबसे खास, प्यार और तकरार का है ये एहसास, साथ में हंसी साथ में रोना, इस रिश्ते में है सच्चा सोना, इस रिश्ते में है सच्चा सोना। The bond between brother and sister is like a beautiful garden where flowers of love bloom every day. This relationship is full of lovely moments. This relationship teaches us that true love and care can overcome any obstacle and bring immense joy. कहते हैं भाई बहन का रिश्ता दुनिया में सबसे प्यारा रिश्ता होता है, जो कब लड़ पड़े तो कब एक हो जाए पता ही नहीं चलता। इनके बीच की लड़ाई भी एक तरह का प्यार ही होती है। ये रिश्ता बेहद खास होता है। इस रिश्ते में नोक झोंक, रूठना मनाना, लड़ाई झगड़ा तो होना आम है, और इस रिश्ते में अगर भाई बहन से बड़ा हो तो क्या कहना, ये रिश्ता अधिक प्यारा और विशेष हो जाता है। The big brother always protects and cares for his little sister, and the little sister looks up to the brother with admiration and joy. इसी खूबसूरत रिश्ते को पेश करने आ रहे हैं हमारे जूनियर केजी सी के स्टूडेंट्स।
तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है। जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से सारे जीवन के सपने हैं चूर। आँखों में नींद ना, मन में चैना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। ए ला 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 ला, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। ओ ला 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 ला।
That was a wonderful performance. बहुत ही खूबसूरती से पेश किया है भाई बहन के इस खट्टे मीठे रिश्ते को। वेरी नाइस किड्स। तारे जसे आढळ आणि तेजस्वी असतात, आपल्यापासून कितीही दूर असले तरी त्यांची चमक कमी होत नाही, तसंच नातं आहे हे बहीण भावाचं। आपल्यापासून कितीही दूर असले, बहीण भाऊ दूर असले तरी त्यांचं प्रेम, आपुलकी, ओढ कधीही कमी होणार नाही। घ्या तुम्ही भरारी, वाट पाहते शिखर तुमच्या ध्येयाचं, वाट पाहते आभाळ तुमच्या स्वप्नांचं, विसरा आता अंधाराचे क्षण हातास, चंद्र सूर्य तारे तुम्हाला देतील प्रकाश. घ्या भरारी मुक्तपणे तुम्ही पंख पसारा, आत्मविश्वासाने चला स्वतःला उभारा. थोरा मोठ्यांच्या आशीर्वादांचा घेत चला वसा, हसा मुलांनो हसा, हसा मुलांनो हसा. There is nothing more contagious than the laughter of young children. It doesn't even have to matter what they are laughing about. They should not be bound by limitations. Let them fly beyond the oceans. If the darkness will come in the path, they'll become the light that will remain till last. Forget all the worries and enjoy the present. Our next performance is all about happiness and laughter of children. It's a reminder that no matter what, we should always find reasons to smile and share our joy with others. I welcome on stage students of Junior KGE to perform on a very inspirational song, Hasa Mulanno Hasa. And here they are.
प्रकाशातले तारे तुम्हें अंधारावर रुसा, हसा मुलानो हसा. प्रकाशातले तारे तुम्हें अंधारावर रुसा, हसा मुलानो हसा, हसा मुलानो हसा. खेळ खेळती वारा पाणी, आनंदाच्या शिखरावरती खुशाल जाऊन बसा, हसा मुलानो हसा, हसा मुलानो हसा. प्रकाशातले तारे तुम्हें अंधारावर रुसा, हसा मुलानो हसा. अरे हसा ना, हसा मुलानो हसा.
applause for Tiny Tots of Junior KGE. या गाण्यातून आपल्याला एक महत्त्वाचा संदेश मिळतो. जीवनात कितीही अडचणी आल्या तरी हसणं आणि आनंदी राहणं हेच खरं सुख आहे. आपल्या या चिमुकल्यांचा चेहरा बघून आपण शिकू शकतो की प्रत्येक क्षणाचा आनंद घ्या आणि जीवनातील छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टींमध्ये आनंद शोधा. चांदोमामाच्या जगातून थोडं बाहेर पडूया आणि आता याच मुलांच्या किशोर वयात येऊया. येस, लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द लाइफ ऑफ टीनेजर्स. अगला परफॉर्मेंस है उनके लिए जो हमारी ज़िंदगी में बहुत कीमती होते हैं. वो जो हमारी उम्र के होते हैं उनसे हम हमारी सभी बातें शेयर करते हैं. सही पहचाना, मैं बात कर रही हूँ अपने दोस्तों की. When we talk about teenage life, the very first thing that comes in our mind is friendship. We go on adventures with our friends, we go skating and cycling with them. दोस्त हमेशा हमें साथ लेकर चलते हैं. जब हम उनके साथ होते हैं तो हम हवा के जैसा हल्का महसूस करते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं नन्हे मुन्ने दोस्तों को जो जीवन का आनंद लेना और हवा के साथ बहने की भावना रखते हैं। I would like to call upon students of senior KG-C who are going to dance along with the wind.
हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग ओ साथी चल,
मुझे के साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल,
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल। ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना, पे अपना दिल भी है दीवाना,
पर्वत से आके ना टकरा जाना, तू बन के बादल, ओ साथी चल,
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल।
हंसती है ये दुनिया तो हंसने दे, हर नागन बन के इस रुत को डसने दे,
ओ मुझको अपनी आंखों में बसने दे, तू बन के काजल, ओ साथी चल,
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू,
ओ साथी चल,
ला 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 ला,
ला 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 ला,
ला 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 ला,
ला 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 ला, हे हे,
ला 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 ला,
हे हे,
ला 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 ला,
Fantastic performance, kids.
ला 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 ला, 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 ला 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 ला।
That was really fantastic performance. Children, you all moved so gracefully and confidently. Thank you, kids, for performing on this breezy adventure. Let's give a big round of applause for this wonderful performance. Teenage life is a fascinating period filled with curiosity, exploration, and desire of independence. Teenagers are naturally curious and eager to explore the world around them. The teen years are a time when individuals start seeking more independence from their parents. They want to make their own decisions and experience life on their own terms. आगे बढ़ने से पहले मेरा एक सवाल है आपसे। क्या आपको कभी उड़ने का मन हुआ है? मैं हवाई जहाज की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं पंछी की तरह उड़ने की बात कर रही हूँ। हुआ है कभी मन? ओके, मैं बात कर रही हूँ अपने सपनों के उड़ान की, क्योंकि हर इंसान के अंदर एक पंछी छिपा होता है जो स्वतंत्रता और ऊंचाई के लिए तरसता है। जैसे पंछी आसमान में बेफिक्र उड़ता है, हमें याद दिलाता है कि ज़िंदगी में डर को भुलाकर अपने सपनों का पीछा करना चाहिए। हमारा अगला परफॉर्मेंस हमें बताता है कि जीवन में हर किसी को अपना पंख फैलाने का अधिकार है। कुछ ऐसा ही दौर होता है ये टीनेजर्स का, जो अपने जीवन में स्वतंत्रता और आज़ादी की तलाश में रहते हैं। वे पक्षियों की तरह उड़ना चाहते हैं और अपने निर्णय खुद लेना चाहते हैं। I call upon stage the tiny tots of senior KGD who will take us on a joyful journey of freedom and happiness. Parents, I request those who are sitting in front of that table, please get side. They are getting difficulty in recording the videos. See parents, we will be sharing the videos afterwards. If you will do like this, then you will not get the proper videos. I request everyone to go back. Still, I request those who are sitting down, please go back. तालियां हो जानी चाहिए पेरेंट्स, आपकी तालियां बहुत कम पड़ रही है।
पंछी बनूं उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में, आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में। पंछी बनूं उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में, आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में।
That was really a wonderful performance. Give a huge round of applause for the senior KGD division. इन बच्चों को देखकर ऐसा ही महसूस हो रहा था कि वे एक पंछी है और आसमान में बिना किसी बंधन के उड़ रहे हो. Very nice kids. Life after teenage can be an exciting and transformative period. It is an exciting journey of turning dreams into reality and achieving personal and professional goals. ये वो दौर है जब इनके सपने अधिक स्पष्ट और महत्वाकांक्षी हो जाते हैं. In this phase of transition, their dreams often become more focused and ambitious. हमारे अगले परफॉर्मेंस में आप देखेंगे कैसे युवक अपने जीवन में ऊंचाइयों को छूने की इच्छा रखते हैं. चांद तारे तोड़ना चाहते हैं ये. इसका मतलब ये है कि असंभव को संभव करना चाहते हैं. Let's welcome on stage students of Junior KGB who will express their desire to achieve great things and conquer the world. Our little ones are taking their positions. Give them some time.
जो भी चाहो वो मैं पाऊं, जिंदगी में जीते छाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है।
पेरेंट्स तालियां।
चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है। यार तू भी सुन जरा, आरज़ू मेरी है क्या, मैं क्या बन जाना चाहता हूँ। मैं कहाँ खराब हूँ, मैं तो लाजवाब हूँ, मैं ये मनवाना चाहता हूँ। मान जा ऐ खुदा, कितनी सी है दुआ, मैं बन जाऊँ सबसे बड़ा। मेरे पीछे मेरे आगे हाथ जोड़े दुनिया भागे, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है।
Woo, that was a fabulous performance, kids. Very nice. Really, that was fabulous performance showing how we dream of reaching stars and becoming the best in everything we do. चलो, बचपन हो गया, टीनेज लाइफ हो गई, एडल्ट स्टेज हो गई। जो सपने देखे वो पूरे भी हो गए, और जो सपने हम देखते हैं अगर वो पूरे हो जाए तो हम सबको कैसा फील होता है? शी इज़ ऑन क्लाउड 9, वो 7वें आसमान पर है, तिचा आनंद गगनात मावत नहीं। ये सब मुहावरे उस स्थिति को दर्शाते हैं जब कोई व्यक्ति अपने जीवन में बहुत खुश हो और संतुष्ट हो। कुछ ऐसा ही हम फील करते हैं जब हम कोई असंभव चीज़ को संभव करते हैं। इन आवर नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस will present in front of you the exhilarating feeling of achieving one's dream and aspirations, symbolizing the joy of excitement of reaching new heights and embarking the new journey. So without further ado, let's take you on a journey of dreams and aspirations with Badal Pe Pao Hai. Parents, I request again, they are facing difficulty. Sir, ma'am, those who are standing them, I request you, please be seated. As I told earlier also, we will be sharing videos with you. So no need to stand there. Just enjoy the show. These kids have really worked hard, practiced hard, only for you, only for this day. So we want you all to sit and enjoy the show. nice. That was really amazing performance. You all danced so beautifully. Thank you, kids. Very nice. Their hard work and enthusiasm really shine through. Very well performed, kids. The universe is a vast and fascinating place filled with billions of galaxies, each containing millions or even billions of stars. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies and play crucial role in the cosmos. तारे और हमारी भावनाएं एक गहरा संबंध रखते हैं। तारों को देखकर हमें अपने सपनों और लक्ष्यों को पूरा करने की प्रेरणा मिलती है। आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि हम सब स्पेशल हैं। जी हाँ, हम सब अपने आप में एक तारे की तरह है। जब हम साथ में चमकते हैं तो ये दुनिया रोशन हो जाती है। हम अकेले तो ठीक है, लेकिन साथ में हो तो और भी मजबूत हो जाते हैं। जैसे अपनी एक कहानी सुनी होगी, एक लकड़ी को अगर तोड़ना हो तो बहुत आसान है, लेकिन 4-5 लकड़ियाँ अगर एक साथ बांधो तो उसे तोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। एक बूंद पानी किसी की प्यास नहीं बुझा सकता, लेकिन कई बूंदें मिल जाए तो सागर बन जाता है। हमारे अगले परफॉर्मेंस के माध्यम से हम आपको ये संदेश देना चाहते हैं कि जब हम सब मिलकर एक साथ काम करते हैं तो हम किसी भी चुनौती का सामना कर सकते हैं। So put your hands together for the students of Junior KG A Division.
Hey, hey. भी लगे प्यारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। जगमग तारे दो तारे नौ तारे 100 तारे जगमग सारे, हर तारा है शरारा। तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा। बनता एक दरिया है, जो इस पहेली को बूंद हो अकेली तो एक बूंद जैसे कुछ भी नहीं। हम औरों को छोड़े तो सबसे ही मोड़े तो तन्हा रह न जाए, देखो हम कहीं क्यों ना बने मिलके हम धारा। तारा तारा
ये तारा वो तारा तारा, ये तारा वो तारा तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा। ये तारा वो तारा तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा।
ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा।
Wow, that was really incredible. Your hard work and practice really showed in your performance. इन छोटे छोटे तारों ने हमें बता दिया कि अगर हम एक साथ हो तो हम किसी भी चुनौती का सामना कर सकते हैं। Thank you, kids. Parents, are you enjoying our annual day? आपको ये छोटे छोटे तारे, चंदा मामा पसंद आ रहे हैं? And they have really worked very hard for this day. And now there is going to be something special. So I want everyone to be seated on their place. Have patience. Standing here and seeing these performances, I could feel that all stars have come today here for our SIA Annual Day program. They were really sparkling like little stars. They were really looking very nice. So now, let's proceed. Long ago, it was believed that the sun, the moon, the planets are so far away that we can't even reach them. ऐसे ही लगता था ना हमें, सन मून यहाँ तक कोई भी पहुँच नहीं सकता. ऐसे पहले लगता था, right? Today, humanity has achieved so much success that we not only landed on the moon and the planet Mars, but also are aiming for the sun. Do you know that some people are selling land on the moon and also planning it as a space destination? In the near future, we might even plan holidays on Mars instead of Mahabaleshwar and Matheran. So let's take a trip to the planet Mars. India's Mangalyaan mission is a remarkable achievement that deserves appreciation. चलिए जाते हैं planet Mars पर. देखते हैं कि कोई उधर रहता है या नहीं. Tonight, we are thrilled to take you on an exciting journey to the red planet, Mars. Just imagine you are traveling to Mars and on landing, you find some strange-looking aliens there. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if there might be some other beings out there living on a distant planets? Well, that's what we call aliens. Scientists are always searching for the signs of life beyond Earth, and the idea of aliens has inspired countless stories and imaginations. Let's welcome our little ones to the stage as they perform Shabashia, presented by Senior KGA, followed by the dance of inhabitants of planet Mars of Senior KGB. This will be followed by the grand finale. I request once again parents to be seated and enjoy the performance.
Get ready for the countdown.
「
hope you all enjoyed the journey beyond the planet. Did you enjoy or not? So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're looking at a tiny part of a huge, incredible universe. And who knows, maybe one day some of our little kids of the SI become astronauts or scientists and discover even more about this amazing place that is universe. I, Ms. Vandana Kamble, signing off for the day. Thank you. I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai. Thank you, everyone.